Just leave it like that, because Graham's light on now, I think. So it'll be dark for a bit.
The tubes will hit you on the head.
Yeah.
Don't make me paranoid
Like
now.
fireworks.
Where's Callum? Callum?
I think Callum's down there, but Graham.
Oh, he's down. Good
There's
boy.
light in the car.
Okay, fair enough.
Sounds like when the first wave went in the goose green.
Might need to stand back a little bit, T. You want the fireworks? There's a lantern going off over there.
A lantern? Where's the lantern?
Ready? Lantern! It's away from the window so Mummy G can see.
Well, that red thing over there.
Yeah, it's a lantern.
Oh, cool.
Isn't it good? What's going on down there? Just putting it in the ground properly.
Little technical difficulties.
Yeah, we got a big one.
Health and safety issues.
Can't get the lights to work.
Health and safety issues, Bob, these days. It's all about health and safety. Here we go.
Oh.
Happy New Year!
Oh, Callum, come here. Come here.
Oh, I can't see.
Yeah, you can.
That's all right. 400.
Sam!
Got a big finale, mate.
That'll do.
Alright, go! You ready? Be alright.
Choking on it.
Whoa! So they can fly in a minute. Smoking. Whoa!
Whoa! Fucking hell!
Bloody hell, still going. Whoa! Get the other box.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
The other box is going to be